Hello good people, how are you doing? Hope you are doing fantastic. My good name is Winnie and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So today we're going to make some MAINI, and the ingredients are as follows. We have salt, tomatoes, milk, capsicum, onions, some spices, that is coriander, black pepper, turmeric, and royco cubes, garlic, and ginger. And finally we have the liver or maini and oil. Yes guys, so let's get to the video. Give this video a like, comment, tell me what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. First things first, we are going to remove the membrane using the kitchen towel. It is easier with the kitchen towel, so yeah. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. Leave in with me. You're the king of Carolina. You're the singer. Your band's behind you. Crowds around here, they just talk through you. Nothing's better when they love you. Rumor has it there's an angel in the crowd where you guys are playing. We've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me, ticking away at the walls that I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. Wave you crazy. Tell my family I love them. Tell them that I'm doing everything I can to make it home for Christmas. I'll make it alive. Do it again, yeah.